Hey, you're in. Welcome to the challenge.
27 steps in 27 days. I just did this again last August. And now I'd moved for 2 years and I moved in and got operational and functional, but I squirreled a lot of stuff away. So yeah, at some point you might have to do it over again. But for now, all it is 10 minutes a day to clean out one drawer, one shelf, one cupboard, and you're on the road to success. Some of my other clients that I've been helping over the last year have made comments like, hey, Kath, it only did take 10 minutes a day, and now I'm feeling so much better. My house looks great, and I feel great. Another gal, Lynn, she said, oh my gosh, I've been waiting for you all my life, Kath, and now her husband and her are cleaning up the house together. Isn't that cool? And another one, Tara, farther up north, she got onto this program as well too. 27 things in 27 days, except she texted me on the third day and said, Kathryn, I just moved 1,000 things today. I'm going to have a yard sale on the weekend and I'm so excited. Now, that wasn't quite what the challenge was because you're trying to get some habits together. Life is a stage, and if you staged your toothbrush and your makeup and getting dressed, you've got some things you've already staged in your house that work for you. Why can't we get the whole house working together for you? I know, I want to take this right through winter solstice and right through the holiday season because you're going to need that right away. Yeah, hop on over, just over there, and pick up your PDF, get your notifications set up, and I'm going live for 27 days to help you through this. Yes, you are going to see my underwear drawer. Yes, we're going to go right through Christmas. Yes, it doesn't cost anything. It's free. I really want to help you, and this is the best way I can think of to do that. Yes, it's only going to take 10 minutes a day, and yes, you are going to see some shifts. You're going to see some different things in my house that I've had to do to overcome apathy, stress, and boredom and wondering. So I really want to share these with you because I just feel that I have a need to get out and help you. Are you ready? Click to join the group, pick up your PDF, and get ready because Monday morning I'm starting with my announcements, and December 1st is day one of our 27 days. I can't wait to see the progress from all of you.